In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a Steam game will run on your computer. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a curious newbie, it's always smart to make sure a game is compatible with your system before downloading it. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open your Steam app. This is your one-stop hub for accessing and managing your games. If you don't have the Steam app installed yet, you can easily download it from their official website. Once you've opened the app, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login option on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. If this is your first time logging in, or if you're using a new device, you might want to ensure that you have your login information handy. Once you've clicked login, you'll need to enter your account name and password. This step is crucial for accessing all of your favorite games and personal settings, so be sure your credentials are entered correctly. After you've logged in successfully, click on the sign in button to proceed. Soon you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. From this central hub, you have a myriad of options at your fingertips. But for now, let's focus on finding a game to play. Navigate over to the Store tab, which you can find at the top of the interface. This section is where all the magic happens. You can search through a vast library of games, updates, and more. Once you're in the store, select a game that you're interested in playing. Just browse through the selection, and once something catches your eye, click on it. After you select a game, scroll down to find the System Requirements section. This part is key. It displays the minimum and recommended specs needed to run the game. Here is where you'll discover if your setup can handle the game's demands. To confirm your system's specs, you can click on Help in the Steam Apps menu. From there, select System Information. This opens a window displaying a detailed breakdown of your computer's hardware and software capabilities. With this information in hand, compare it against the game's requirements you found earlier by scrolling down the game page. Ensure your system meets or exceeds both the minimum and recommended requirements. This way you can enjoy optimal performance and avoid any potential lag or frustration. Now you're all set to make an informed decision about downloading and playing the game. Checking system compatibility is a simple yet vital step in ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Happy gaming, and may your adventures be lag-free.